Another type of aqueous mixture are colloids and suspensions. So milk and cream are mostly water, but they are not transparent, so they are not solutions. Homogenized milk and cream are known as colloids or colloidal mixtures because the proteins and the fats in the milk do not dissolve in water. These are nonpolar and water is polar, but the particles are very, very tiny. So by definition, the particles in a colloid must be between 1 and 1,000 nanometers in diameter. So because the particles of this size are very small and remain suspended in solution, they do not separate over time. So that is how a colloid is similar to a solution. Now a suspension, on the other hand, will separate upon standing. So if there are particles in a solution that are greater than 1,000 nanometers, which is 1 micrometer, the mixture is known as a suspension, and after it sits for a while, the particles will settle to the bottom. So muddy water is an example of a suspension, as is blood. Blood cells are larger than 1 micrometer and will settle to the bottom of a test tube if you let them stand. You can also separate blood by centrifuging, which is placing a blood sample in a tube and then spinning it around so the heavier or denser particles sink to the bottom.